everybody, welcome back, or if you are new, welcome. Make sure to grab your light set of hand weights today. If you want to use them for the workout, I would recommend 3 pounds or less for this walking workout. We're going to use it throughout, but you're welcome to do this completely without any weights. I'm not wearing any shoes today. You don't need any. It's very low impact. Normally we rev it up a little bit, but this is a postpartum workout, so we're going to keep it very light and low impact today. Great if you're just coming back and getting back into working out. Maybe this is your first time working out. Great workout to start with. Also, throughout the workout today, you'll see that each move is only about 30 seconds long. It's going to be a quick, effective workout. Keeping it short today, especially for those busy moms if you're short on time. So this is a great one for you. I do not have a lot of time being a new mom, so this one is perfect to fit into my daily schedule. So definitely make sure to modify each move as needed. So go at your own pace, take breaks if you need to. Feel free to pause the video and come back later. I do that constantly when working out, especially with a baby at home. You never know what kind of interruptions you're going to face, so feel free to pause and come back when you're ready or when you're able. You may have noticed my t-shirt today. My husband got this for me for Christmas. Super excited to wear it for today's video. So we have my Bob and Brad shirt here. This is not a sponsor or anything, I wish, but I love Bob and Brad. They are amazing physical therapists here on YouTube. They're awesome. So check out their channel if you ever have a chance. And if you need any help in the chiropractic physical therapy kind of world, I would definitely recommend them. They have lots of great stretches, exercises, and any help you really need, they are here for you. So I would definitely recommend their channel. You'll notice some of the moves today, we're just going to be holding the hand weights in place for some extra resistance, and some of the moves we're going to be doing some bicep curls or hammer curls with the moves. Feel free though to just hold on to the dumbbells if you don't want to do the extra arm movements throughout this workout. Just trying to add in a little bit of extra here, bang for your buck, since we are so short on time with our working out. Gotta make the most of every minute we have here. I think it's super important to add that if you are a new mom, that I understand, and there's not a lot of time out there to work out, so make sure that you take a second to do this and be proud of yourself for taking the time out that you need to work out today. Also, these workouts are very low impact, light intensity. Feel free to baby wear as well when you're doing the workout if that's something that you feel safe and comfortable doing. So I baby wear when I do a lot of my walking at home and walking just around the neighborhood, things like that. It's a great way to get in exercise, but also be able to hold your baby who might want a contact nap or things like that all the time, or who needs to be near you. And you may have noticed our special guest, he has appeared again. He appears in lots of my videos, so he is guest starring again today, Gus the Westie. If you haven't checked him out yet, make sure to check out his short series on my channel if you want to see more cute content with him, or check out another walking video. He's in a lot of them. Since this is a postpartum video, you don't need to be postpartum to do this, but if you are postpartum, make sure you get medical clearance first from your doctor, midwife, whoever, to be able to work out again and that fitness is appropriate for you. This is pretty low impact, so it should be fine, but just make sure that you feel safe and comfortable doing the workout, and always make sure, as I mentioned before, to modify as needed, work at your specific fitness level, take breaks as needed, do whatever you need to do to work back into it at your pace, so as slow or as quick as you need to go. If you like videos like these, please make sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next. I'm going to really try hard as much as I can this year to post more videos. Being a new mom, I'm very short on time, but I'm trying to make time for it as well because it is something that I truly care about. I care about posting on my channel, but also just about my physical fitness and well-being. Taking care of myself, super important, because you have to take care of yourself in order to take care of a little one. So make sure to take that time out of the day for you, whether it's a few times a week or it's getting moving every day. I'm someone who needs to move a little bit every single day, so getting in some sort of light workout every day is really important to me. Anything else you want to see on my channel besides walking, feel free to leave that in the comments down below. I have lots of different content on here, but if there's something specific that you want to see that I either haven't done yet or that I have done and you want to see more of that, let me know. And you'll notice at the end of this video, we have a quick little ab burner. I decided to add that in there. So my obliques is something I've really been focusing on being postpartum. I've noticed that's where I'm carrying a lot of that extra postpartum weight. So that's an area that I decided to focus on at the end of this video to just target that a little bit. So important and great functional movement you can do here. Also, being able to twist again, since you can't twist when you're pregnant, for movements has been really great. So we are at the end of our workout now. We're just gonna stretch it out, cool down, do whatever you need to do. We did work our arms a little bit, so I'm just stretching out my arms. So feel free to do some twisting, extra mobility movement, any stretches you feel like you need to do. Make sure to do those. And we're just taking about 30 seconds to cool down. But if you need to take more, feel free to take more to cool down. And I will see you for the next video. So make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and that way you don't miss the next video.